Java or Python, which one is real game changer for automation testing in 2025? Is Java still a king for frameworks like Selenium, or AI is catching up fast with modern tools and AI? In this video, I'll break down the strengths, weaknesses, and the real world use cases so that you can decide what is best fit for your career. Maybe you have already started learning one language, or you are still stuck and thinking which one will actually land you to a QA career opportunity. Let me tell you, you are not alone. So by the end of this video, you will actually understand whether Python or Java, which one is the best fit for automation testing. Hey everyone, welcome back to Automate with Amit. If you are in QA space and ever thought to learn automation testing, or you thought let's jump on learning any particular programming language, whether it's Java or Python, then you definitely came across this dilemma whether I should start with Java or maybe Python. So let me tell you, both are incredibly powerful and widely used, and also open up huge career opportunity in the field of automation testing or QA space specifically. But the choice really depends upon what kind of projects you want to work on. So let me break this down into step by step for you. First, let's talk about popularity and ecosystem. See, Java has been around for decades into the IT industry. So industries and companies are fully equipped with the Java related project setups. So they are already using Java for a long time. So if you have ever worked with Selenium or related tool in automation testing, you will notice that Java is kind of everywhere, and it is market dominating language. During 1990s itself, Python was invented, and from then Python is there in the industry, but it was not so much popular. But after AI revolution, it's exploded like anything. So now you will see more and more projects like which are using Python. So it is very much popular. So if you want your automation to be really intelligent and want to inculcate your AI related stuff in your code, then Python is definitely going to be the popular choice for you. So in a nutshell, Java is mature, enterprise ready, and enterprises are already using it, but Python is modern and fast growing in the AI space. Now let's talk about learning curve and commanded support. See, whenever we are trying to learn anything, or whenever we start to learn any new language, we also have to understand what is learning curve for it, how much time and effort it is going to take for us to learn that particular language. So if we talk about Java is more complex than Python. It has complex structures and syntaxes. So even a single semicolon, if you are forgetting in your program, then it may break your complete program. So basically Java is more strict and disciplined, rather Python on the other hand, it's very easy to understand, beginner friendly, and even it feels like you are writing code in plain English. So it is very much lenient than Java. So if beginner are trying to learn any particular language and they have fear of learning any programming language, then definitely Python is a good choice. But having said that, Java is always useful, because Java is getting used in the industry, so you will get more opportunities in Java rather than Python. But having said that, I mean, we have discussed in the previous point also, Python is more popular these days with AI. So learning Python will definitely help you, and also Java is already being used, so there is no question of that. So if we summarize this point of the learning curve, if you are going to learn Java, then it may take some more time than Python to learn a particular programming language. But having said that, Python is more future ready, and it is more helpful when you are going to implement AI into your automation testing or something related to AI. But having said that, Java is also there, so it may take you longer than Python to learn. Now let's talk about framework and tool integration. Whenever we talk about any particular language, it is very important to understand if any particular framework is supporting that language or not. So when it comes to automation testing, we see that frameworks or tools like Selenium or Maven, Cucumber. These tools are there for automation testing. But on the other hand, Python is there, which has PyTest as a testing framework. Like in Java, there is TestNG. So both of the tools have, both of the languages have tool support. For Python, we have instead of Cucumber, we have Behave, we have Playwright for automation testing. With Python with Playwright is all time, it's gaining too much of popularity these days. So Python basically supports Selenium, Playwright kind of tool. And at the other hand, Java is well established, so it has very sophisticated or enterprise grade ready softwares which or tools which support Java, kind of Selenium, Maven, TestNG, Cucumber. All these tools are supported by Java. But for API testing or DevOps related things, both languages are equally powerful. But having said that, as I said, if you want to include AI related workflows in your test automation, then definitely Python will give you help in this. Now let's talk about career opportunities and industry demand. See, if you are targeting large IT firms or service-based companies or banks, Java is still the king over there. But if you are targeting, your target is startups or the product-based companies, AI is dominating over there, and that's why Python is getting used. A lot of the companies are using Python in these, in these companies, these kind of companies who are working on, AI related products or startup companies. Those are using Python or preferring the Python instead of Java. So now in terms of salaries, both are competitive. Salaries basically in the companies depends upon how well or how deep you know a particular language. So if you have the hands-on practice on a particular language and you have good logic building skill in the programming language, then definitely, any programming language could give you good salaries in the companies. So maybe if you are still confused and thinking that, okay, Amit, you have given all the comparisons, but what is there for me in this? So let me tell you, if you are a complete beginner and haven't done any single line of coding in your life, then Python is good start for you. It is beginner friendly and it is not very much, it is not heavy language. So you can easily start this Python language and you will see the results and you will get motivated and you will be doing it. But on the other hand, if you already know some part of coding, logic building, how it works, you can think in a programmatical way basically, then it is always easy for you to learn Java. Java is very much used in the industries. So if you learn Java, there are good chances that you will be using Java in the industries. And also, since projects are using Java, so it will be more useful for you because at the end you have enough chances to work in Java rather than Python. So having said that, if you are complete beginner and not done any single line of coding, go with Python. But if you know the programming, but you know the logic building part of it, I think Java you can go with. And also, it's never an end. If you have learned one language, you can definitely switch into others. So if you have gone into the Java, then definitely learning Python won't take you that much time. So anyway, you can start and you can start learning. So just to give you a practical example, how it looks in Java and Python, I'm showcasing this code here on the screen where it shows the Python code written with Selenium. So Python with Selenium and Python with Java. Just to showcase you, the same piece of task is being done by both of the code, but see how much cleaner and easier it is to understand the Python related code. But Java is comparatively, it is slightly complex than Python just to read. So Python is very much structured, and even a single semicolon can break your code. So Python is easier to understand, easier to learn if you are complete beginner. But if you are already understood the programming and have done some piece of coding in other languages like C or C++ or any other language, then Java is easy to learn in that case also. So let's recap. Java is structured, enterprise ready, and is still in huge demand. On the other hand, Python is beginner friendly, modern, and AI ready for future. If you are still confused whether I should learn Python, Java, Selenium, Playwright, or you are a non-IT person wanted to join into the IT field as a QA, or you are manual tester, you want to jump in automation testing, or you are a fresher who is looking for the opportunities into a QA space, then we are launching Automation Revolution 2.0, where we are giving opportunity to to talk to me, and you can get your queries clarified directly from me. So link in the description. You can book call with me and get your queries clarified, and it's for free. So very limited seats are there. So if you have any queries or doubts, or you are confused about anything in QA or automation testing, get the booking done as soon as possible. There are very limited slots, so get your call booked, and I am going to help you with all your queries and doubts. See you in the next one.